This week, Maria is super worried.
I hope to God it's all right.
Justin tries his hand at comedy.
Jesus.
Mick makes Gordon Ramsay cry.
Coffee, a la carte, donuts.
Stick around for Lenny's joke at the end.
Gareth Bale is astounded with the price of baked beans.
And Lenny becomes the fastest animal on earth.
So smash that subscribe button and let's get on with it.
What do you call a person who eats people slowly?
I don't know, what do you call a person that eats people slowly?
A cannibal.
Jesus. So we're back on the road. We're off to find a big Carrefour. We think we found a huge one now and we're heading there. It's about a 45-minute drive and then we'll just head to our next park up from there. We don't know where we're going yet, just we.
No, but who would have thought a Carrefour was 45-minute drive away in France?
Yeah. But then again, we are out in the countryside and we're not going through the towns or cities, you know. So
and France is a massive country.
It's bloody massive, fair play. It's absolutely beautiful, but huge. Oh, it's just been so hot in the car, in the van. Really, really hot. But the sun's gone in, it's gone behind some clouds and it's gone really cool. So the air is blowing through the van and it's really lovely. So we're just making the most of that for a minute and we just loving life for five. And Lenny as well, he's loving the breeze. Look at Lenny's hair blowing in the wind. Nice and cool for him, hopefully. Come on, we'll start that and then we'll make our way through it. Or should I say fromage? We're just marvelling at how much food is over here, I gotta be honest. It is quite expensive. I mean, we just buy the beef burgers now and I'll just show you the price. So you've got these ones here which are £8, 9 pence. Alright, there's 10 in a packet, but bloody hell. And there's those ones there. How many's in that packet?
10, 6.85.
Yeah. There's 4 in those ones and they're £7 something.
Yeah, I can't believe the price of food over here. It is beyond.
Yeah. Yeah, it really, really is. $11.99 for 10 burgers. I've never seen a pea lasagna before. That's a new one on me. So we arrived last night right next to this little pond. It's so pretty here. There's a little beach area. I've had a run around the lake this morning, which is not very far, which is really good because I haven't run for a long time. It was my first run back, but I did really enjoy it. So we parked right next to the lake, and just over the other side of the bushes from where we are parked, there's a campsite. And I think the campsite is about €10 a night, which is really reasonable. But we are trying to find free parkups, so that's why we park just outside. And it's free and it's on Park for Night as well. So, you know, we're the only campervans here. There are a couple of cars parked up, and there was a couple of fishermen around the lake last night. But the lady came out of the campsite earlier and she spoke French, and we Google translated. The campsite is full, But if we wanted to go in and use the showers and the toilets, that's no problem at all, which I thought it was so lovely of her to do that. I mean, you know, France is it's just so lovely to campervans. They're really kind of encouraging, really friendly. Everybody will say bonjour or bonsoir to you when you walk past them. Yeah, it's so lovely here. So it's mid-20s at the moment and it's only like 10:30, so it's going to be a hot one again today. So Lenny's coping okay. He, all through the night, it was really cool in the night, so that's great. This morning now he's got up and he's looking for shade. He goes under the van, and under the van there's like a bit of a breeze going through, so I think he's got the right idea there. We'll all be under there soon now. Just gone past a sign and it says on there that it's 43 degrees. Oh God, I gotta be honest, it does feel like 43 degrees. It's absolutely boiling.
Where should we go? Le Paradis?
Oh, they're passenger.
Oh, get off here.
Were you making us, Mick? You're on camera.
Huh?
You're on camera.
Am I on the camera again?
You are. What are you making us?
Coffee, a la carte, donuts.
Lovely. So the donuts were £2.65. I mean €2.65 for 4. They just jam donuts. So in Tesco's in the UK or Morrison's, they're like 99 pence for 5. So yeah, so things are quite a bit more expensive out here, but we're having them anyway.
Me and Lenny are sharing a donut.
Lovely.
Well, he thinks he is.
He think-
but
he's
he's got a big problem.
He's open, he is.
Yeah.
So we're sitting in the shade behind the van now because it's absolutely scorching here again.
Got to get in the shade right by the lake, so couldn't be better.
Yeah.
Could it, Len? No. There you go.
Yum yum. Come on in. Oh, I don't know, it's harder by here. It's harder by here, the drop is more. Hello, little boy. Oh, nice and cool. Yay. So we've come in from morning dip. We got here last night. Jumped in the water last night, but we didn't film it because we were just so hot after the drive that we were like, oh God, let's just get me in there. So yeah, it's just a lovely little river spot. The river's really calm here. It's got like a salmon area over there, a salmon pass.
See if we can get his...
That's the first time this has been underwater. I hope to God it's all right. We're so grateful for your company on this week's adventure. Your support truly means the world to us. If you're just joining our journey, a warm welcome to our channel. Remember to touch the subscribe button. Your simple click significantly contributes to our expanding community. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed and keep that notification bell on so you won't miss our up and coming travels.
Hey Charlie, how much does it cost to swim with sharks?
How much does it cost, Lenny?
An arm and a leg. Hee hee.
I hope to God it's all right.